Exactly the same as we see you in the morning and now also. So it's like a pleasure to come and meet, especially Anjali Garu and also Himaji. It's just a pleasure to meet the whole team in person.
Definitely. And we are like excited from almost many days. But the gap I took is also the other day I was talking to you.
Yeah.
I need little gap. I wanted to check the books and get them, and I wanted to plan this up very well. So we have been planning it very well because see, it could be a kind of just yoga teacher relation, but we have seen you and we have got very much attached to you.
Okay.
And that frame I'll be looking at, okay, every day you drop your weight and I'm looking at you, you're getting healthier is a big satisfaction.
For me, Nistilarna is not just about a yoga class that I come to in the morning. For me, it became like a holistic thing. It's just become my way of life. It's just a well-being thing more than, oh, I've done my yoga class, my job for this morning is done. No, the relationship for me with you in the morning, continuing with Himaji for other things and with Anjali ji throughout the day for follow-ups, my diet things and all of that. So it's become like a part of my everyday structure. That is what I really loved about Nistilarna is like, my attachment doesn't just finish with 1 hour of yoga session with you in the morning. It does like, yeah, am I okay today? And there is constant follow-ups about like, oh, you didn't post it today. Are you okay today? Or there is no change in your this thing. Is everything okay? Is there something different that is happening? Is there some mental stress related issues? So that kind of constant follow-up is what, motivates a lot of people, especially in the family structures nowadays when wife and husband also don't get time to talk to each other. If you have this constant companion who is always motivating you, then it is like, quite nice and you feel like, yeah, there is somebody who will follow up with me. I need to not let this person down. I need to do it not just for myself but for them and for me also. So that's what really got me hooked onto the whole thing. And before joining this, like I had a discussion with you, I had general well-being issues where my energy levels were completely down. Okay, obesity was beginning to creep up. There was like excess weight of 14-15 kilos which I always wanted to shed. I mean, I was surprised that I was able to do it so quickly. But my general health, general well-being, my mental strength, those have seen a very positive, outcome out of this whole program. That is the reason even after first 40 days, I have decided to go on with it because I wanted to be a part of my everyday thing, and now I'm starting to get my kids also into the program so that they also will benefit. Your focus is improving, your energy levels are improving. So it's amazing, and what you're doing as a team and how you tailor your yoga class based on everybody's health issues, their limitations is what amazes me. I know you have like 14-15 people in every session, but you still remember, okay, Saujanya ji, don't stress your shoulder, Vineet ji, don't push yourself for this, or somebody else. That personal touch really helps. It's not like ఏదో గుంపులో వెళ్ళి అందరితో పాటు ఏదో చేసేసాము వచ్చేసాము అని కాకుండా.
Very true. I mean, one point is like people always ask me one question, why online? So I was always telling them the same. So don't take online. Online is bad if you're doing it with your video off. Then I'll not know what you're doing basically. But online is much better because I'm seeing everybody in an equal frame. I'll see you from top to bottom, like how you're sitting, like everybody will have a different problem. Everybody will come with a different thing for the class, and we know every student in detail, and that's working really well on online. And now we can reach any part of the world with this online platform, definitely. Yeah.
After COVID and having seen classes being held in COVID, I was a bit apprehensive when it was said online. But what amazed me is the personal attention to detail that you're able to focus on every single person, and you tell us, can you pan your camera out? I need to see you fully. Your posture is not right. Can you correct this? I didn't think that level of precision will come in an online class. I mean, I'll be open and honest. I was quite cynical about it, thinking, how can we do this so perfectly online? But my, concerns have been laid to rest, and I can openly and honestly tell you, no, online, if it is done right, is a very, very good thing.
Exactly.
And that definitely is happening with your yoga class. And I'm really, really happy about that.
Thank you. And if in just one sentence, if I want to tell you, you can also just outline from where did you, with respect to weight also, like, for all the people who are listening, from where did you come to that?
I started at 78 kilos when I started my first session, and at the end of the first 40 days, I was at 67 kilos. Within the first 40 days.
40 days.
After that, it's been a slow progress. I mean, it is still progress, it's work in progress, but it is more on the maintenance and more, improving my muscle flexibility, my mental concentration, and all of that. Given the age factor and all of that also, I mean, if I want to push myself, I'm sure you will support me and Anjali Garu will push me with the diet restrictions and all of that. But I know you have set us different goals and you helped us realize our goals for ourselves rather than you giving a goal saying that no, my program says 8 kilos or 8% of your body weight. You helped us tailor what we want to achieve more than what you want us to achieve. So which is what is more good for us because we set our own targets. So that was quite nice. So like I said, 78 to 67 in a span of 40 days. Even with a few days here and there, it's a very, very positive thing, and you feel good about yourself at the end of it. That's what is more. I mean, I'm not saying this for the sake of a publicity stunt or anything. What I felt is I genuinely felt so happy about I was able to do it. And I was able to do it in a very, very healthy and a guided way.
Yeah. Nothing, no artificial, nothing powders, no protein powders.
No protein
nothing,
powders,
natural.
no measured quantities of diet,
exactly.
no calorie control.
Calorie control.
It's basically you're eating healthy and the portions are like eat till you're full and then what you're eating is...
And what time are you eating?
Exactly.
What time? That matters, yeah.
And I was very happy when you said, oh, there is no control on how much you want to eat and eat it, but then make sure all the portions are equally balanced.
Right.
You never told us once, oh, today don't eat so much or anything like that. I still remember there were times when you sent us messages personally asking, are you sure you're full because your portion seems really less today?
Yeah.
So that way, I know most of these crash diets, they'll say, oh, okay, calorie control and only 100 grams of this, 200 grams of this. Nothing like that. I mean, this is after 21 days, they say it takes 21 days to form a habit, and this is one habit I would encourage a lot of people these days who have work-related stresses and who cannot give their time and attention to exercises and all of that. Follow this, and in within 21 days it becomes a way of your life, which is what it has become for me. Absolutely love the whole journey of it, and I hope my son also gets into it and he continues what you're practicing.
Yeah, definitely. The one which I loved is when the kids are into the yoga class. I mean, suddenly wanted the kids to just join during their summer break. But the way they picked up, especially Akhil, how he picked up is very good. He could connect to his body and he knows which asana. The names of the asana is out of his interest, definitely. But the surprising part for me is, okay, if you have a back issue, you have to do Majari Bitilasana. So if you have gastric issue or you're full or you feel like little gas in the body and you have to do Paschimottanasana. That really surprised me to the level of very connected.
So I love because of the explanation that you have been giving in each class. A lot of them, I'm seeing a lot of YouTube videos or Instagram gurus and all of these guys. There's oh, this is the Vinyasa flow and this is the Chandra, this thing and all of that. But nobody talks about which muscle is it stretching, how is it affecting your body, and the way you give attention to it, telling them, feel your body, understand where it is, and the way, I mean, your one thing that, the one comment you always give, Stiram Sukham Asanam, where, you tell us all the time, how much time you spend in the asana is more important than how many asanas you do in a day. That is one thing that really sat well. with me. And what I've seen with my son, and only in 3 weeks, is he's able to connect to what you're telling him about, like, this asana will affect this muscle of your body, or this helps, especially when you taught them the Nadi Shodhana, which improves their concentration. Like, you are able to go to that level with a kid, telling this is important for you because you are still a kid, you need your concentration. Whereas with people like me who sit all day at work, you tell us, okay, your lower lumbar region needs the support, all of this. That is what is amazing, Andy. Like I said, for me, the last 75, 80 days have been a life-changing thing. And it is, for me, this has become a part of my life. And I will definitely continue my journey with Mr. Larna. And I hope a lot more people actually join this. And especially for the software and people like whose work styles are like mine, I would personally promote it a lot. For a person who's 47 years old, I never thought I can go back into my ideal weight and all of that.
Nobody will really believe that she's 47 actually. Yeah,
Really
and you don't even really know. Not only on cameras, but when we met for physical, I don't think she looks like even younger than me, I think.
No, definitely not. No, but like I said, when I joined and I told you also, as I reach my 50, I want to have a healthy lifestyle. And I think this is the right way of it, without going into fat diets, doing, all of these. Yoga is one platform which gives you your cardio, which gives you your muscle build-up, which gives you your overall flexibility and all. So it's a very, very healthy way. Please definitely sign up for it whenever you get a chance and go for it. I will just continue definitely.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And after almost about 80 days.
80 days.
Working remotely, but still, I'm so happy that we could get your health back.
I'm happy.
Before the program, what were your issues? And you were talking about your throw-ups and all, right?
Yeah. Basically, I had my gallbladder removed and I had severe gastric issues. And I had lower back problems. So every night I needed a massage. The domestic help who used to live in my house, she used to give me a back massage almost every night. And then any little bit of food that I ate, even if it was a little bit more, I would invariably throw up before I go to bed. So all of those issues are sorted and all of those issues are resolved. I can now eat and sleep peacefully, and my sleep quality also has improved so much.
Yeah. It's also the sleep quality, definitely because of the sleep quality, right? Not just one thing, just yoga or just your food, but it's a holistic lifestyle changes that we need to get into, not just one thing that will fix us. It's not about the weight we lose, right? All of the other benefits what we get really trims us. Yeah.
It's like I said, Mr. Larna and your yoga program is not just about weight loss.
Exactly.
It's a way of life, and it's it promotes a really, really healthy way of life.
Yeah.
It's not about crash diets. It's not about crash workouts and losing weight rapidly. And then suddenly you stop, and then within 2 weeks you're back to your normal. That doesn't happen with you. So that is what
and now
is.
you tell your experience, after how many days was this Indian weight? After how many days?
After 80 days, I almost took a 10 days break.
Yeah.
In fact, I was very surprised with myself that I haven't gained weight, and my weight almost stayed the same. If not, I lost a quarter kilo in the last few days also, because my eating habits have changed more than anything else, where I'm conscious of what I'm eating and I'm reminding myself. So like I said, thank you so much, Prashanti ji. Thank you, Hima ji, for first taking a step and reaching out when I had so many questions about the program. And Anjali ji for all the recipes and the constant follow-ups and all of that. It's just a full 360 degrees this thing Andy with me. So thank you so much to all three of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.